working in lesson 4.1, which is estimating division with using multiplication. So what we're going to try to do is figure out an estimate of how many times 6 goes into 19. So we're going to multiply to get there. We also are going to try to do a bigger number, which is 315 divided by 5. I sent home this nice little kind of cheat sheet to use, because then we can look here, and what we want to do is we're going to try to find numbers that multiply by 6 that will get us close to 119. We want to find one number that goes over and one number that goes under. So I can start here. We can start with 1 and go all the way up, but I know that we're going to start a little higher. So I'm going to start with 12. Seems like a good number to start at. I'm going to put 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So we know that 6 times 12 gives us 72. Then we can go to 78. 6 times 14 is 84. Then we get to 90, 96, 102, 108, 114, and finally 120. Well, I'm looking for 119. So I have my two numbers right here. 100, when I had the kids right, was 6 times 19 equals 114, and 6 times 20 equals 120. So 119 is between there, so I can say between 114 and between 120, and looking at this, 119 is closer, so about 20. Okay, now when we use a bigger number, we're going to jump up and we're going to do multiply by tens instead of ones. So I have this one written down right here as well. We're going to start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 5 times 10 is 50. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Oh, I'm getting close. And this one's going to be 350. So here's my two numbers, 60 and 70. So I know that 5 times 60 is 300. 5 times 70 is 350. Well, looking at this, 317 is closer to 300, so my answer is about 60. This is the easy way just to estimate. If you have any other questions, please let me know.